Hi, my name's Brian. I'm the founder of Luxe Shield. I'm here with my assistant Charlie, and we're going to be installing the Ontario license plate with the smoke shield today. It's very simple. It's going to take less than 1 minute. The Ontario plate is slightly larger than the other provinces, but I'm going to show you that it's easy to install and it does fit. Okay, so you put it in there nice and tight. Okay. Put it up against the bracket. With some cars, there's 4 screw holes, some there's 2. This one has 4, but it'll still mount with 2. And there you go. It's nice and tight in there. This thing's not going anywhere. It's protected all the way around. Your whole plate is protected.